This is the story about someone in Buffalo Grove who was seeking a locksmith. Buffalo Grove, Locksmith is the dependable name in protection solutions. Buffalo Grove Locksmiths provides 24/7 urgent situation assistance, including non-commercial, commercial, and vehicle locksmith expertise. The customer service retained by Buffalo Grove Locksmith is unparalleled to any other company, since our customers have experienced the very best solution for the demands only from us. We've become the leading locksmith service providers in the Buffalo Grove area. So call Buffalo Grove Locksmith at 773-257-7594.